So in this lecture we will understand what is the IOC container implementation and how we'll do that, right? So you can see here what I have created. I have created one application. Inside the application I have created a package com.programcy.com, and just below we have application context.xml file is there. Then we are what we have JRE we have, and a Spring library is there. So all everything is there, and you can say I have added Spring 4.3.9 is there, or you can add latest 2. Okay, so no worry, so there is no error. You can see here configuration is okay. Now we can see here that in the application context what we have a beans tag. Here we can see if this is not there, if this is not there, if initially we have like this. Okay, so in that what we have added, we just added bean. Okay, so first bean we have added. What is the bean name? I have created one student class in this package com.programcy.com, and I have a class student. In the student I have declared one property as a name, and you can see here. So we have a class is there. In the class we have name, this one, and this is a setter and getter. Okay, so if this is not there, so it look like this one. Okay, and we have created one function is there to display the greetings. Okay, so if we have created uh, a student class, so we have to create setter and getter for this one, that I have deleted just one. So how I have created, just I have select this one and created setter and getter for this class. You can remove the extra spaces that we have, so you can see. Okay, so what we have one property is there, name, and I have created setter and getter for this one, and there is one method greeting is there. So now we have to understand that how we'll do. We have to create a, inside the beans tag we have to create bean name, and in the bean what we have to do, we have to define the bean id as a, for this class student class we have one bean that is known as my bean. Inside this bean we have given the property name, and the name has the value need, we have initialized already. So from this information we have to call uh, we will call from the application in the main from the main, how we have to start, right? If we are using resource, then we have to write this one bin factory through bin factory. Otherwise if we are using application context, then we are using this. We have already discussed in the last lecture. So only the implementation things we have to take care. Like what we have to take care, application things in the field, like we have student class and we have to initialize the student. So how we will do, if we have the context is there, so from the context we have to write context dot get method. So in the context, application context, we have some methods. So you can see, like if you are writing context, if you are giving the name like this, so you have many methods is there inside the bean. So the get bean we will use to get the information. So this is the when that you can see here, it gives a bin factory by default. Okay, so either you are writing application context or bin factory, you will get a factory as a IOC container, and then you have to type first the object that you want to display, and that have the bean as a name, and now you can call the method. Let's see, is it running hopefully or not. So here it is saying ki we have some no class definition found, login factory is not there, common jar is not there. So let me add common jar here. So how we will do that, you can see ki if you do not have jar, you have to just add jar. How we will do that, go to library, add external as a jar, and then go to the library where you have the file context is there. So I have added already the jar. This is a jar I have in the C and D drive. So I have added in our project, and I will try to execute again, and we'll see is it working properly or not. Let me run again. So now we have resolved the issue, and we have seen that we have greetings as hello Neetu. So in the context you can see that application context is running, and we have got what we have got. We have got information like application context prepared refresh. Then what he has done, class path application is running, setup is up to date. Then what he has done, he has called XML bin definition reader. Then load bin definition is loading the information. Now loading XML bin definition from the class path, application context is done. Now it is printing hello Neetu. See, so information is done from reading the application context, and information that is available in the application context, or you can say IOC container, is done. So thanks for watching, and let's continue in the next lecture.